I've been coming here since I was younger, and especially since I've been away at college and sitting in the library or studying or hunched over a computer. Whenever I come home, I get adjusted. After I get adjusted, my neck and back always feel much more relaxed. I can move easier. It's not as tense as it had been before. I get adjusted when I come home because my neck is generally stiffer and dorm mattresses aren't very great for anybody's back, so. I would recommend KST. It's different than the previous chiropractor we'd gone to, and it doesn't hurt. Dr. Saylor finds the spots that are bothering you and fixes them.